you brought up the word coffee. Word on the street is you have a new machine in the
Yes.
restaurant. Can you talk to me about espresso and how you've been nerding out about that?
So personally, I'm a big espresso fan. I start every morning with an Americano, light on the water. And I'm just a kind of a coffee geek, I guess. And we've never had an espresso machine. I think partly because we didn't really have the space, we didn't have the staff. I could list a million reasons, but maybe it was fear. But we finally got our espresso machine in. We hired a barista, and it's just been amazing. There's been a latte or a cappuccino almost on every table, and it's an amazing curated experience. And I think that it really delivers on that amazing brunch experience that people really want. So,
I mean, it goes in with the ethos of, hey, this is going to take a little bit of extra
hmm
time, but it allows, I think you and I were talking before, like it allows you to charge more. Your check average has
right.
gone up. It is in more line with, it's not like drip coffee is coffee out of bag in the same way that brunch items, could be out of a bag. But I think that there is an element of like, it's so in line with everything else that you guys are doing.
Here's a coffee that's brewed and curated just for you, especially for you. It's really
Yeah.
exciting. And again, yeah, just like you stated, like it's completely in line with what we're doing and what we're offering.